On April 26, 1986, the quiet town of Pripyat was jolted awake by a catastrophic explosion at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant, forever changing the lives of its residents and the landscape around them. In the chaos that ensued, brave firefighters rushed to contain the blaze, unaware that they were walking into an invisible danger, while families hurriedly packed their belongings, believing they would return in a matter of days. As the last residents left Pripyat, the city fell silent, becoming a haunting reminder of what once was, while the world watched in disbelief as the fallout transformed the area into a place forever uninhabitable. Years later, the ghost town stands as a stark monument to human error and recklessness, a site where time stands still and memories of life are buried under layers of radiation. While nature began to creep back into this forsaken space, the stories of those who lived there persist, echoing through the empty structures and reminding the world of the fragility of life.